Good day to all employers. I am Marjorie Cabanela. I'm 45 years old. I am married. I have two daughters. Their age is 20 and 18. I have two brothers also. Their age is 43 and 40. I have work experience as domestic helper in UAE, 7 years and 4 months in one employer. I serve 6 members of the family, the couple and the 4 children. Their age is 13, 11, 9, and 7. My duties and responsibilities there are cooking, marketing, cleaning, laundry, ironing, send and pick up the children in school, and help to teach their assignment. I have also have experience here in Hong Kong, 2 months only, because my employer have problem. She have no work now and she have a family problem also. That's why he terminate my contract. I have a good release letter recommendation. Here in Hong Kong, I serve 4 members of the family, the couple and the 2 kids. Their age is 9 and 7. I all do household chores, marketing, cooking, cleaning, taking care of the kids, send and pick up the kids in school, send to their activities like ballet, skating, swimming, and late and arts. To my future employer, if you give me a chance again to work here in Hong Kong, I promise I obey your rules, I follow your rules and regulation. I be a hardworking mom, and please hire me because I am simple and kind. I'm also honest, ma'am. Even if I have before I go to my day off, I clean my madam house. So if you give me a chance, ma'am, to choose me as your domestic helper, I promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Doce.